Welcome to our channel. This video will show you how to take photos using the S Pen as a remote on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started. First, take out the S Pen from your phone. You can close this menu for now. To launch the camera app using the S Pen, press and hold this button. For taking pictures, press this button once. It takes the photo. Not only this, you can do a lot more with this S Pen, such as switch the camera by double pressing this button, zoom in or zoom out by pressing this button and making these gestures. You can see all these gestures by tapping this icon. Touching this help icon and then try it out will take you to the tutorial page. You can learn and get used to these gestures from here. If these S Pen gestures are not working, open the S Pen menu. Go to Settings. Here, tap on Add Actions. Check whether it is toggled on. If not, enable it. Next, scroll down and toggle on Camera and Media buttons. That's it for this video on how to take pictures on Galaxy S24 Ultra with S Pen as a remote. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.